Hi cake designers, welcome to Bake Cake Design. I am Reshma. Today, let's make a waterfall cake. Start by assembling cake layers. I'm using here 3 6-inch layers of 2-inch height each. You can vary the size and height according to your wish. Crumb coat the cake to prevent drying. Mark the shape to be carved by a toothpick or Dresden tool. Cut carefully and little by little, as we can always do more if needed. You can vary the shape according to your preferences. For carving curved areas, I am using my Wilton piping tips and my circle cutters. Crumb coat the carved areas. You can also give a second coat of buttercream. Cover the back of the cake with green fondant to represent grass. Cover the rest with blue fondant to show the water area. Use the ball tool and smoother to perfectly shape the fondant over the carved areas. Cover the front part of the board with the same blue fondant. And the back part with green fondant. Mix the carved cake crumbs with a little buttercream and shape it on the sides to show the trees and grass. With a little buttercream or royal icing, attach the mousse to the cake. Please check the description box for the mousse recipe. You can shape the greenery also according to your specific design. Cover the back side of the cake also with a mousse cake to represent a mountain with trees. With royal icing, give a slanting effect at the bottom of the waterfall to get a realistic waterfall effect. Smooth it out with a brush. With a piping bag and a round tip, start piping lines with royal icing. I'm using Wilson tip number 5 to do this. With a round brush, press the icing down so it looks like as if the water is falling down. Pipe and smudge in batches, as the royal icing can dry quickly. I also applied little dots of icing on top to give a 3D effect. Add blue piping gel over the carved surface to represent the water. Make sure to fill the gaps below the mousse too. Using a round brush, poke over the gel to give a more realistic water effect. Airbrush or paint blue color over the royal icing form to show water. Apply the blue piping gel on the board too. For a more finishing look, airbrush or paint green color the gaps of the mousse and board. You can also cover it entirely with mousse if you like. I added some stones on the board and over the falls. Please check my stone house cake video to see how to make different kinds of stones. Arrange the stones till you are satisfied. There your cake is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe for more unique cake decorating videos. Thank you.